Hi everyone. So this video I'm going to explain how you can create advanced shaped layer video in your Figma website, and this video will be the static or basic, and the series of the video will come based on this will be more dynamic and animated. So this will be the first one, and let's break down this one. I picked that shape from online and I thought this will be a good choice to show. You can pick any shape you want, so I'm going to create that shape from here from Figma, and I just need to shape that properly from here. Well, it's done. You just need to click on fill and remove the stroke from here, and now you can create another one. So I just need to reduce the opacity here, and I'm going to create another shape, so you can use this one. So yeah, it's done, and I just need to make it something like this, and this should be 100% in opacity again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select that both and select from here. You can use subtract and click here again and click on flatten, and now you can change the background from here. I'm going to select this one, and I have already created that to make it quick. So you just need to drag everything from here to here. Like, I'm going to ungroup that again. This one is our shape. You just need to grab them all and make the group by select group selection. So it's done. So I just need to click on Figma to HTML with Framer plugin, and you just need to copy that. So I'm going to copy this clipboard and go back to Framer and click here, and you just need to click on layout and add a new frame, make it fill and make it relative if you want, and make this viewport. It's up to you. So I'm going to click on fit content, so it's fitted. So I'm going to remove the fill, and now I'm going to click on layout, and now I'm going to paste that here. And if I click on K on my keyboard, I can scale this one something like this. So I'm going to keep it here, and I'm going to add our video and make it feel something like this, and then I just need to click on absolute position, and I'm going to make it center here something like this, and relative 100%, and this one as well, it should be 100% as well. So make it centered. So it's done. So I just need to reduce the Z index here. So our main structure is ready at this moment. So if you want, you can paste a button here. So this one is our button, so you can paste that here using absolute position. It will remain same as it is now. So that's the plus point here. So this one is our video in the background we are using. So we have multiple ways we can manipulate that based on our creativity, or yeah, it's all up to you. So now I'm going to download a video from here that I have already downloaded. From here, this one I have downloaded that, and then I have uploaded that on our Cloudinary. This one is a great platform to host videos, like videos and everything. So it's not a promotional video. I have already created another video, so you can take a look on that part. So you will find that information there, like how you can use this platform to manipulate your videos and create more advanced and creative structured video as well. So yeah, that's it, and I have already uploaded that. Let me double click on it. You will see optimized and delivered. This one I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go back there and paste that on our video URL and hit enter. So you have all the controls here. It's all up to you. So if I click on play, you will see it will look something like this. So you can ask me how I create shapes here and here on the video part. So it's really simple. I have already like created that here. So So I have already pasted that, so you will understand that better. At this moment it looks like this. So if I go back here and double click on it, you will see it looks something like this at this moment because it's converted as a vector. So now what you can do, now you can shape the video part. Double click on it, this one, and just increase the size from here. So this one is really silly part I'm showing. The reason I am sharing this part is you can change the shapes of your video from here as well and animate that. That's simple as it is. So that's the reason I'm showing this also. So now you have all freedom to manipulate or adjust anything. You can add like variant as well to create animation there, but I'm going to create another video for that because I'm going to keep this simple as it is, so you can get the overall idea from this video. On the next part I'm going to create another one where you can animate your video structure and everything. So yeah, that's it. Have a good time.